Fittings. How would we fight fires without them? Today, we're going to take a look at what it takes to make these vital components of the firefighting industry. I'm Matthew, and this is the China Fire Bulletin. For over 100 years, AWG has been a market leader in producing some of the most technological and advanced fittings and nozzles in the fire and rescue industry. I'm here in Beilendorf, Germany, and I'm going to take you on a little tour of their facility here. They put a lot of technology and a lot of hands-on experience in manufacturing these products. So come, take a tour with me.
AWG has been in business for over 100 years, and it shows in the way that they do business. Established in 1871, they've been pioneers in the industry, merging quality and precision together to produce a vast array of products for the industry. Their Beilendorf facility is large, clean, and packed with machines and people performing all sorts of jobs. The whole company works together like a well-oiled machine.
AWG is one of the leading companies in the manufacture of couplings, adapters, nozzles, and foam equipment. They even have a sub-brand called Lancier that specializes in emergency equipment like spreaders and cutters. AWG is interesting because they specialize in such a wide variety of products. They don't just worry about couplings, their entire line covers everything from fire prevention to firefighting.
Another brand that exists under AWG is a brand called Alco. Alco is a brand specializing in high-volume monitors. Their monitors can be truck, trailer, or fixed-mounted and are regularly used to suppress oil rig and power plant fires. Alco monitors were even used to control the situation at the Fukushima nuclear power plant in Japan.
Fittings. It's a broad topic. If you look it up in your phone's dictionary, it says, a small and often standardized part. Well, AWG creates fittings that are often not very small. They produce products in a range from 3/4 of an inch all the way up to 12-inch diameter, depending on what the customer needs. And their product line is broad. They produce all sorts of different products: manifolds, gate valves, dividers, hose cleaners, all sorts of products for the fire protection and firefighting industry. This is one of the specialty products designed right here at AWG. From its outward appearance, it looks just like a typical nozzle, but it's anything but. AWG has designed what it calls a turbo twist. With a simple twist of the nozzle end, you can change the functionality of your nozzle. Let's say you want to increase your flow rate. They've got a nozzle tip for that. Let's say you want to turn your nozzle into a foam nozzle. They've got a nozzle for that too. But let's say you want to go even more specific and you want to put out that container fire. Well, AWG's designed this tip especially for that. Simply attach it to your turbo twist nozzle, insert the tip into the container, and it fires a special curtain to extinguish this type of fire. AWG has a wide array of these tips that allow you to manipulate the style and form and function of your nozzle.
As I said, AWG's product line is broad. They produce stores fittings, couplings, valves of every variety, splitters, dividers, and a menagerie of manifolds. Police and emergency vehicles even use their remote-controlled monitors. They produce hose washers, and some things I've never seen before and cannot even begin to describe. They make cutters, spreaders, and of course, a never-ending variety of nozzles. The good fitting is only as good as its manufacturing process, and that's where AWG sets itself apart. So let's take a look at what goes into making an AWG fitting. It all starts with material, and AWG only uses the highest grade steel, aluminum, and polymers to ensure the best end product. From there, a series of machines mill, grind, inject, and polish a vast array of components needed to put together one of their many products. And where tolerances and precise measurements are critical, parts are put through an advanced measuring process to ensure everything is up to snuff. In this industry, QC is important, and AWG's QC department is second to none. Actually, along the whole process, quality control is ingrained into each step. Even as a product reaches the assembly area, the workers are examining and analyzing for imperfections. So what leaves a building is only the best of the best.
There you go. Clean, calculated quality. That's German engineering at work. You can tell by holding these products in your hand that they're made with precision in mind. So let's leave Germany for a little while and head out to Guangzhou, particularly the Guangzhou Fire Department, as they took delivery of an ALCO trailer-mounted monitor. Let's take a look at what they thought of it and see it in action.
So off I went, ready to see the Guangzhou Fire Department take delivery of their second trailer-mounted ALCO monitor. I was accompanied by a team from Uramco Safety, headed up by the American firefighter and manager of Uramco Safety's Asia division, Zach Allen. Zach was brought in to advise the Chinese team on its function and its maintenance.
Today we're sitting on the ALCO TS180 trailer monitor, 20,000 liters per minute of high flow capacity for industrial firefighting. This thing's a beast. Foam induction, large flow, 110 to 120 meters of throw distance. Today we're with the Guangzhou Fire Department, Guangzhou, China, and we're showing them how to use it.
Now this is not your run-of-the-mill pump monitor. They're big and used for big purposes. They're used for cooling oil refineries, big massive installation like airports, and even inside nuclear power facilities. The 180 trailer system by AWG is assembled with all AWG components. This is the MZV 18,000 nozzle head, and this is powerful. With a slight turn of the nozzle head, you can control flow from 6,000 liters per minute all the way up to an impressive 20,000 liters per minute.
Back in Germany, I'm taking a look at the final step in the process of producing a product at AWG, the testing. Products here are put through a rigorous set of pressure tests and checks to assure they are in the best shape to do their job. Valves are closed, couples are coupled, and nozzles are opened under pressure at various settings, all to assure that what leaves AWG is only the very best.
If you are in a situation where lives are on the line, you have to depend on the equipment that you're using. That's why AWG puts so much attention on quality control. Their products, like couplings and valves, are points where problems could occur, so they must make sure that what they're putting out is a product of the highest caliber quality. So when the going gets tough, you can trust AWG to make the components to put the water in the right direction. I'm Matthew, and this has been the China Fire Bulletin.